Hello guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw um $5 or less than $5 from your Geekpay account. Because normally, if your money is not up to $5 on your Geekpay account, you won't be able to withdraw it. And I'm going to show you how to bypass that protocol and withdraw your money from your Geekpay account to your local bank account. Alright, first of all, you have to download the Geekpay app. This does not work on the Geekpay site, so you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store, whatever store you're using, and search for Geekpay app. So for me, I already have the Geekpay app, so all I have to do is click on open. But if you don't have it, you just have to download the Geekpay app. So I'm going to open my Geekpay, and I'll log in with my fingerprint, or once you set your logins, you can just put your password. As you can see, I just have $2 in my Geekpay account, and I'm going to show you how you are going to withdraw it successfully. Now, this is the Geekpay app. This is not the Geekpay site. You understand? So you're going to click on convert. You're going to convert that money from your US dollar account into your Nigerian account, which is still in your Geekpay. Now, the issue I encountered earlier while I was trying to convert my money is that the decimal point was not working. And imagine if I had $1.98, that is $1.98, and I want to withdraw it. Because of the decimal point is not working, I will not be able to collect everything. So in case you're in that category, all you have to do is, now whatever amount you have in your distant app, you'll have to input it here, so that automatically the decimal point will appear by itself on your US dollar account. I don't know if you understand, but I'm going to show you. Now I have 2.01 and I want to withdraw everything. Even if it's just $2, I can forfeit the 0.1 cent. So all I have to do is now go to your browser, your Chrome browser, whatever browser, and ask what is the value of 2.01 US dollar in naira, so you can able to write it down there. So there's my Chrome. Alright, so you're going to ask what is the value of 2.01, in naira or Nigerian currency, or whatever one you choose to use. Now you see that it's 1,584.16, but you can't still add decimal points. So let's just go with 1584 or 1585. Let's just try it. Let's see. You see, it worked. It gave me exactly what is there, because I didn't, when I try to put this thing, was not working. 2 points, it's not working. I can't add my one. Understand now? So if you have the same issue, you just have to go to your browser and ask whatever you have in your account. Ask the value it is in Nigeria, so you can just impute it here. You can also add decimal figures here. It comes automatically on its own. So we had 1584, right? And that gave me 2.1. So all I have to do is click on next, and this is the value, which is 1,584 naira. Okay, this is 2.10. Okay, sorry, that's 2.10. Okay, that's one. It's supposed to be 0.1. It's still 2.10. How are we going to get $2? Okay, let's just go with $2. Let's go with $2. Okay, 1508. Okay, so you gave me $2, so let's just leave the 1 cent because it's not working. So all I have to do is click on next. Let's just leave cents and click on convert money. Now you can see the conversion from my dollar to my naira has been successful. All I have to do is go to my this thing, send money option, which is this. I'm going to send it to my account. I already have my account saved. This is my Kuda, so I'm going to enter everything. As you can see, they are just charging 1 naira, so click on send, and 15 naira is the fee, so you just click on send money. As you can see, transfer successful. So this is how you're able to withdraw less than $2, less than $5 from your Geegpay account. It's as simple as that. So all you have to do is hit the like and subscribe to getting more content like this on how to do so many things through your Amazon KDP account or your USD account.